Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Friday, May the 29th, 2020. In this additional, we have one Sudoku with 1 star. Sudoku 2 with 2 stars, Sudoku 3 with 4 stars, a binary puzzle, and a tectonic puzzle. So total 5 puzzles to solve, and we will start first with the Sudoku with a 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. Yes, alright. Let me see. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Then, two in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 8. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the 8 could be here or could be there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for an 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? In the last row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. I see here 6. No 6 there. Here also a 6. No 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers. The missing numbers here in the last row are the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers here in the first column. The numbers are the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then these 3 numbers, wait, wait. I need to wait. Wait a minute. Yes, we have in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. In the third column, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, we have a 2 over there. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 9. I see here the 7, so no 7 there in this box. There 7, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the second row, column for the number 9, I believe, yes. And then 5, 8. Let me see. 3, 1. These 2 numbers, 1 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 4. How about these 3 numbers? The 1, the 4, and 7. 7 we have. I need more digits. Cannot fill this yet. Yes, the 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then, yes, the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Yes, this column, 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 7. 1, 4, 7, 7, 4, 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1, should be here. The 7 and the 4 are missing now. These boxes also 7 and the 4. But we have the 9 here. I see 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 1 place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, only place for the 9 should be there. And then 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this middle row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or here. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in this column, the middle column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes for a 1-star Sudoku. Could be faster. I think this is a 2-star. No, not 1 star. Anyway, thank you for watching and download the PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later. Bye bye.